But when you have wear on a tricuspid third premolar, that is 1. Also, a 1-year-old will have more than 4 teeth. And it's very common to see the last tooth coming in on a 1-year-old. This is another example of a 1-year-old. You can still see the teeth coming in, but you can also see there's not as much wear on the lingual side, the tongue side, but on the cheek side, the buccal side, you can see that there is wear. You can also see wear right here, and it has more than 4 teeth, so that gets you to 1. So remember, a 1-year-old is a tricuspid third premolar. On a 2-year-old, this is the third premolar. It has 2 ridges. It is bicuspid. You can see very little wear on the first molar, very little wear on these permanent teeth. And you can also see this ridge in the back on a 2-year-old has very little to no wear. On a 3-year-old, you can see this indentation here on the third premolar is now beginning to cup. You can see brown and it's wearing together. You can also see that the first molar is opened up and beginning to show more dentine than enamel. And you can also see that this last cusp is beginning to flatten out. Compare and contrast. The 2-year-old near my thumb, the 3-year-old near my index finger. You can see the difference in the wear. On the third premolar, right by my thumb, versus the 3-year-old. You can also see the first molar has opened up on the 3-year-old where it hasn't on the 2. And then the last tooth has no wear versus that amount of wear. A 4-year-old, and you have some subjectivity here. This tooth had an abscess or